How to post a long video on WhatsApp status. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to post a long video on WhatsApp status. In order to post a long video to your WhatsApp status, ensure that your device is up to date. So basically, there's no such way of uploading a long video on WhatsApp status directly. However, you can use the third-party application and upload a video that's appropriate for WhatsApp. So for that case, you need to exit out of your WhatsApp and then go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in video editor for WhatsApp. Then you can install the following app and click the open button. When you're done installing the app, then you can go ahead and select the video from the bottom and select the video that you wish to upload it to your story. So let's say that I'm going to go with this one and tap the next button. As you do that, it's going to load the video, and then you can just go ahead and tap the trim button. Then you can remove the part you don't want it, and after you're done with that procedure, then you can just tap the tick icon and then click the save button as the video has been saved. Then you can go to your WhatsApp and from your go to updates and then go to the camera icon from the top and then upload a video that you recently trimmed. So that's how you can post a long video on WhatsApp status. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.